Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to the basement. Welcome to today's workout. My name is Paul, and as always, I'm taking you through today's workout like I've been doing for over 6 years right now. Today, we are working on these skinny things right here, these runner's legs. We have 3 different exercises, 1, 2, 3. We're gonna do 3 sets of each, with the first set being a little bit of a warm-up set. So let's not waste any more time. We're gonna start with some lunges. As always, the preview is gonna be right around here, and that's all you have to know. 10 repetitions, first exercise coming up. Lunges, diagonal. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, and up. You just gotta warm up those knees, get that blood flowing a little bit. Then we're gonna give 2 working sets after this warm up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more reps. 1 and 2. Now we're gonna give ourselves a little bit of time, and we're gonna grab those dumbbells. It is a dumbbell workout. If, however, body weight was enough for you, perfectly fine. Continue doing with just body weight. You just wanna move a little bit to get started. Last thing we wanna do is get hurt. If your knees hurt, only go as deep as you can go without pain. I cannot stress that enough. Do not push it. We are not 20 years old anymore, then we recover like this. If you screw something up right now, could be 3 weeks you'll be down for. Definitely don't want to do that. All right, get over set number 2. I'm gonna grab my 30s. This might be a little much, but we'll give it a shot, right? Trial and error. You guys ready to go? 10 repetitions in 3, 2, 1. Step diagonally, down, and come back up. And that's 1. Down, and that's 2. Down, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 more. And 10. And we relax. That's enough for me. My hamstring's still a bit sore, and I definitely felt it on that exercise. 2 sets down, 1 set to go. Like I said, there's 3 exercises today. Nice and simple, and move through it quickly. Repeat this. I would repeat this twice a week, or throw it in together with your full body workout. So if you do upper body, this would be a great little lower body session. If you guys want, we can do an upper body session on a subsequent video, and then you can toss them together. So this is relatively short workout. It's gonna be about 10, 12 minutes or so. Then if you add upper body, another 10, 12 minutes, in about 25, 30 minutes, you got a nice full workout. It's the effort. Remember, it's the effort that counts on these sets that are actually the working sets. So that's what you should leave 1 or 2 reps in the tank if you want real strength and real growth, and no more than that. If you're just looking to stay fit and build a little bit of strength, 4 reps, 5 reps in the tank, perfectly fine. Just don't get injured. Don't push it too hard, especially if you're starting out. All right, last set, side lunges, 10 repetitions. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, lunge, and come back up. It's hard to bounce back up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 1 and 2. That is enough for me on these. All right, lunges done, feeling good. Got a little bit of quad work, a little bit of hamstring work, a little bit of glute work, right? Everything is activated. Now we're gonna move on to goblet squats. For my goblet squats, I like using these little wedges right here. I'll pick these up on Amazon, I don't know, $20, $25 or so. I'll leave a link to these below. There'll be an affiliate link, so if you do purchase this, Paul will make 50 cents. If you don't purchase them, use something underneath your heel. It doesn't have to be these. You can use, I used to use a 2x4. Better yet, if you have a 2x4 and a saw, cut it in a wedge so you can elevate your heel. So if you're like me and your knees are somewhat shot, these help greatly because they'll elevate your heel give you more range of motion, you can go down further. Doing goblet squats, first set being a warm-up set. And I like using these individual ones because I can spread my feet as far as apart as I need to. So if, goblet squats or squatting, sometimes some few days are different than other days, you can kind of do what you need. All right, so we're doing 10 goblet squats. Gonna go down. In the down position, we're gonna try to sit all the way down, ass to grass, as they say, and hold it there for a couple of seconds before we come back up, all right? 3, 2, 1, warm-up set, down, sit down, 1, 2, 3, come up. If you really listen, you can probably hear my knees. Ready? Down, 1, 2, 3, and up. That's 2. Ready? Down, 1, 2, 3, up. That's 3. All the way down, 1, 2, 3, and that's 4. I'll go for 8. Halfway there. Ready? 1, 2, 3, down, up. That's 5. 3 more. 1, 2. I don't know why I'm praying right now, but I am. 2 more. Ready? Probably because that's how my knees feel. And I just want to get up and not fall to the ground. 2, 1, up. Let's do 1 more. Ready? And let's go. 1, 2, 3. Hold it and up. And that was our warm-up set. Now we're gonna grab a weight. I'm gonna use my 30. Again, if you don't feel like you need to use a weight, if this was enough for you, do not use a weight. If your knees were hurting, only go down as far as there is no pain. The more you work on it, the more you work into it, especially after the next exercise you will do, so stick around for that. You will strengthen those legs and those ligaments and those tendons. You'll feel better. You gotta just be patient. Don't overdo it. Give yourself time. Having said that, grab that weight. Grab that goblet. Too bad it's not full of wine, but Christmas is right around the corner, so it may be then. You guys ready to go? 8 repetitions, if we can do it. If you can do 6 or 10 or 12, whatever it is. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and sit down. 1, 2, 3, and up. That's 1. Ready? Down. 1, all the way down. 2, 3, and that's 2. Ready? Let's get down. 1, 2, 3, and that's 3. And let's go. Come on. 1, 2, 3, and that's halfway. Let's get going for 4 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and 1. And down. 1, 2, 3, 2. 2 more. Down. 1, 2, 3, and 3. And last one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And stand up. And now put the weight down. And now we can relax. Let me know in the comments below if you can hear my knees. Maybe I'll take my microphone off and put it by my knee. It is quite comical. Actually, here you go. Since we're waiting, let me take this off. It'll be right by my knee. And today the exercise is not that bad. So here you go. That's it. That's what Paul's knees sound like. Hope you guys enjoyed that little brief. Get ready for set number 3. This is it. Hard working set. Remember, a couple repetitions left in the tank, no more than that. If you leave a little bit more, it's still okay. Just don't want to get hurt, so don't push it too hard. Ready? 3, 2, 1, down. 1, 2, 3, and up. Beautiful. Let's go for number 2. 1, 2, 3, and up. And that's 2. We got 6 left. Ready? It doesn't mean we're rushing through them. 2, 3, and up. And let's go. 1, 2, 3. And now we're halfway there. We got 4 repetitions left. It's in the bag now. 1, 2, 3, and up. 3 left. 1, 2, 3, and up. 2 left. Come on. 1, 2, 3, and up. And let's hold it a little longer on this one. Ready? You guys just go down with me. Ready? 1, 2, stay right here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Come on up. And 10. Here we go. All right, we are done. No more weights for today. Put these away. Once again, I'll leave a link to this in the description below. I can't talk, I'm tired, you guys know me. I'm gonna put these away, probably right here into my little corner, as they will get used again. All right, one exercise left, the wall squat. Everybody loves the wall squat. We're gonna, first set, go for 15 seconds just to, we already are warmed up, but we've been doing the same thing. 15 seconds first set, then we're gonna finish up with 2 sets of 45 seconds. Now this is an isometric exercise, so it does strengthen your tendons, something that we really work on and something we should be working on. Everybody's concerned about muscle, not too many people are concerned about the tendons. So let's get down, and we're gonna hold it for 15 seconds starting now, and it's gonna be our first warm up. Just get moving. Like I said, we're already warmed up, but we're gonna stick to what we've been doing. So 3, 2, 1, and up. And now we relax a little bit. All right. Now we got 2 working sets, guys. 45 seconds each. What do you think? You think you can make 45 seconds? You wanna try going 45 seconds and 1 minute? And see if we start sliding down the wall, because that's what generally happens to me with the wall squats. I said we tried it. Let's try 45 seconds first, see how it feels. Then we'll come back and maybe we'll do a minute. Let's make the 45 seconds first without looking like complete fools, right? Well, me looking like a fool at least. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go and hold it. 45 seconds. Working all those tendons. Beautiful exercise, even though we are not moving. And when I started 20 after, so 05. Just looking at my clock, talking to myself. We have 25 seconds left. Keep it right here, guys. Keep it here, keep it tight. Almost there, almost there. I believe that's gonna be 45. That's gonna be close enough for government work in 3, 2, 1, and stand up. If that was 45, that seemed really short. So let's do a minute next time around, but give ourselves another 30 seconds of relaxation. Stretch them out, move them out a little bit, and we'll get going. Another 20 seconds, we'll get back down. We're gonna try to hold it for 60 seconds, just in case I cheated you guys on the last one. We didn't go far enough. Whatever stagger there was, we'll make it up on the 60-second hold. All right, 10 seconds, we'll get started. This is the last set of our leg workout, guys. I hope you guys had a good time. My legs are feeling good. Ready to go in 3, 2, 1, and hold. 1 minute, guys, 1 minute right here. Right here. If you start sliding down, that's okay. Just squeeze against that wall. Don't fall through the wall, but squeeze as hard as you can if you start sliding down. Fight it all the way through. So keep it right here. We have 45 seconds left. This is where we started off on the last set. And that was easy, so let's make this one feel easy also. Come on, guys, come on, come on. Little over 30 seconds left. 30 seconds now. Keep it right here. Keep it right here. Concentrate, concentrate. 20 seconds left. You guys like it when I do count out a time, or do you prefer not to know what the time is? Just me going 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Well, that's too bad because we have 10 seconds left, so hold it right here. Hold it with me. Let it burn a little bit. It's okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we are done. Guys, thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. My name is Paul. This was our lower body or leg workout. We didn't do any core or anything, just leg workout. Hope you guys enjoyed it. This is great for beginners. A little more advanced people, all depends how much resistance you use and how far you pushed it. This is Fit After 50. I'm running out of words. My name is Paul. This is our basement. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed the workout, do subscribe, leave a comment down below, give me a big old thumbs up, and I'll see you guys during your next workout.